What's up, guys? Just an update on yesterday's video with the Bitcoin long trade setup. Can I say exactly as predicted? So if you haven't watched yesterday's video, let me walk you through what I said this was the setup. So just getting rid of all these annotations, this is the setup at this point. We have the range, we got the sweep, we got the reclaim. We're waiting for a drop back, and that we're gonna have to wait and see if we get that. Does it either bounce here off this range low over here and continue higher, in which case if you're watching it you could even enter at that point still with a stop at the low, or does it continue lower? Does it first drop and bounce over here, and then you could attempt the trade with a stop over here, maximum loss when wrong 1%, and then targeting 3 to 6% depending on where you enter. So you can see here, probably not even 24 hours later, this is exactly how it played out per the setup. So you can see when I made the video, we were about over here. I was expecting a drop back either to the range low and then up, or down to the fib golden pocket and then up, and we got that. It was quick. As you can see, this was a quick spike down, a quick liquidity grab, but it completed the setup, it completed the objective. So what we got, even if you entered over here on the range low, right, you could have still rode this all the way up, and this is exactly what I shared also in real time in my VIP Discord. So if you are not yet a member, if you like these setups, this one I shared publicly here on YouTube, but this is basically what I do on a daily basis. As much as possible, I share my insights, trade setups, analysis on the markets in Discord. And if you find that valuable, which in my opinion I think it really is, join Discord. The link is in the description down below if you want more info about that. So that is what we got. We got a big reaction, and this is what you want to see with trade setups. Ideally, you want it to be very quick and then a reaction like that. It's not nice if it kind of does this, like what you see here, where it just spends days and days and days doing something. You want to get the entry where you see a quick reaction, quick bounce up, like we saw over here. So as you can see, what are the objectives? What did it do so far? Well, it took out this high over here and it took out this high. You can see this initial kind of surge up was basically everyone who was shorting all the way down over here with the stop up to even here got taken out. You can see that went just above there. So we have obviously all the SEC FUD. There was FUD about Binance, saying Binance is leaving the Netherlands. In France, there's an investigation, obviously the SEC stuff, and people are thinking, hey, the whole of crypto is going to collapse, which as it tends to do, it creates this pattern, slow grind down. Everyone is shorting, thinking there's going to be a breakdown, and then we just get this massive squeeze where everyone who is shorting, they have all their stops all the way up here, and then we just get one swift big squeeze up, and everyone who is short gets liquidated there with their positions. Okay, so you can see what we also got is we had these equal highs over here at the fib 0.70% of this move, as you can see. And what did it do? It wicked just above there. So again, anyone who was short, who thought it was safe to be shorting around here, putting a stop here, thinking it wasn't going to get hit, swift big squeeze up, and everyone here got liquidated. So technically the target of this setup would still be the highs over here to take out this high. I don't know if we're going to get that or not, but the initial setup, I mean, it played out pretty well, and this could have been a 2 or 3R profit already at this point. It's very simple. You could either take profits, or you could put your stop at break even and see if this continues going higher, because maybe there's a chance that this was the low, and maybe we go up to 30K from here, and being able to hold this trade pretty much risk-free by putting a stop at break even. Worst case, you lose unrealized gains. Best case, if you ride this up to 30K with the leverage position, that could end up being very, very nice profit-wise. But either way, I hope you enjoyed this analysis. I gave it to you in advance, in real time. This is not just some hindsight breakdown BS like a lot of people do. I told you in advance, this is the setup, these are the criteria. We got it exactly, and that is how it played out. So personally, this is one of my favorite setups to trade. Both to the upside, it works in inverse also for shorts, and it's just a very high probability profitable setup. It doesn't work every single time, but when it does, you're looking at a 1 to 3 or 1 to 5 or even more risk reward, meaning that you only need to be right like 20 or 30% of the time with your setups to still be profitable with this. So again, these are the kind of setups I share as much as possible in Discord. I'm literally sharing my insights on a daily basis, trade setups for crypto, for Forex. If you want to join VIP, you want to get access to the Discord and you're not yet a member, click the link in the description down below and you'll be able to sign up. It's risk-free, 60-day money-back guarantee. So come and sign up. As you can see, one profitable trade could pay for the entire membership. So thanks for watching. Have a great weekend. Smash the like button, share this with someone who might learn from it or benefit from it, and I will see you in the next video.